being impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, JAC Automobile International Philippines Incorporation wants to align our product and services with social impact initiative to assist business and truckers to recover from the crisis. We at JAC Motor Truck Division, we want to help truckers in coordination with the Build program, which is composed of more than 20,000 infrastructure projects nationwide involving roads, highways, and farm-to-market roads, airports, seaports, terminals, evacuation centers, lighthouses, hospitals, school, government centers, and among others. In connection with this project, we would like to highlight the JAC Gallop 12-wheeler dump truck. To do this, I would like to introduce to you our JAC Simon Pampanga's sales team leader, Mr. Roel David Benitez.
Let's start with the powertrain, a HI engine V8 direct diesel injection in a turbo intercooler. It has a maximum power of 380 horsepower at 220 RPM, and most especially engine torque of 1,460 Newton-meter at 1,500 RPM, an 8x4 Eaton transmission with 12-speed high and low splitter, and with a single drive plate diaphragm clutch and a 16 tons bent axle. Let's go to the body chassis. Our JAC Gallop 12-wheeler has a front-lifting dump box with capacity of 27 to 30 cubic water level. The cabin is hydraulic lifting of steering gear with 400 liters fuel tank capacity. Our JAC Gallop brake system is a dual-seater air brake with WABCO technology. WABCO is an American provider of electronic braking, stability, suspension, and our end-user comment is that JAC Gallop dump truck is strong, powerful, reliable, and in JAC Gallop, you will not desert in muddy and rocky climbing. We are inviting you to visit our branches near you. You may visit our Facebook fan page, JAC Motor Philippines, and to our website at www.jac.net.ph. In this of this COVID-19 pandemic, from your JAC Motor Truck Division family, stay safe.